Guys, this is Brownie from Manhattan, New York. So I'm coming to you guys with a maintenance video of your install. So I already took down this side, and what I did was I just basically did this so that I could sleep with my hair and not have to do it over tomorrow. This is all I did, and not have to twist it today. This is all I did, and I did it all the way to the end, and then I um I took it up to the top. Can you guys see it? And I wrapped it around my finger. And then I just bobby pinned it on the top. Can you guys see this? So being that I'm up now, I just take out the bobby pin. And I only need one bobby pin. I untake out the twist. Again, you can see my hair is still curled. Still has a nice, beautiful bombshell curls in it. Still has a nice body to it. It's not like totally defined, but it has a body to it. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, and you can see it's really flowy. This hair is the same 22 inches Indian hair that I ombre myself. I put the video on how I did the entire ombre process. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely check it out. I'm gonna fix my part. So basically that's it. The hair is really long. I'm gonna show you guys just how long the hair is. So this is where the hair ends, down on my butt. As you can see, that's really low. To me, this is how 22 inches should look. Really long and come down your back. Some people when they tell me they show me it's 22 inches, when I think of 22 inches, I think of something really long. I think of half my height. But then I realized that nothing is the size that it really says it is because I'm 5'11", right, guys? I'm sorry, 5'11". I'm 5'8" and a half. And if I'm 5'8" and a half, my hair should reach half my body at 22 inches. Because 40 something inches, when you think of it, give or take, that's 4 feet. And then a couple more inches, what is it, like 68 inches when they measure me? I think it's like 68 inches is my height. You know what I mean? So for 22 inches, it should be a good length of my body. I'll show you guys in the front. This is where the hair ends. You guys probably think I'm kidding. This is where the hair ends. And I don't have to tilt my head or anything. It's really, really long. It's really, 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 really long. So you guys are requesting to see the hair straight. I'm gonna straighten the hair and then curl it again for you guys to see. So I'm gonna grab my flat iron, guys. I'll be right back. So I brought my makeup flat iron because it's bigger than my. I have a half an inch flat iron, And this is my bigger flat iron, and it has iron technology as well. I believe this is the average. I believe this is the average size of flat irons. This also was $200, guys, and it comes insured for the life of the flat iron. I'm trying to see the size of the. It doesn't say. Oh, you guys, I'm gonna subscribe to them on YouTube so you guys can see that. Not another hour. Yeah, that doesn't make a difference. So I'll just turn off that. Come here. Come rescue. As you can see, when I first plug it in, it says off. It is a digital, so it has the power button that you can turn up or turn down the heat. And when I turn it on, it automatically heats up to the last temperature I had it on. You can see it went to 532. But this is also showing you two different heat temperatures. The heat that it's showing you on it is how much ion heat is on it and how much regular heat is on it. So it's two different temperatures that you control. So this thing is super hot and I just burnt myself. It's on 400. Let me grab my comb, guys. I'll be right back. I've got my two bobby pins. If you guys can see this. So I'm going to sanitize my hands first and foremost. Then I'm going to take a little bit of oil. Since I have no oil in my hair, I'm going to use my coconut oil. Not another second. Not another minute. Please. So that's organic coconut oil. I don't mind smelling it in my hair every day, so I decided to use that oil. Then I'm going to be using my Gardener Fructis Flat Iron Perfector. I first spray some in my hand. So I want to show you guys, I left out all the perimeter of my hair. Can you guys see this? The perimeter of my hair is entirely out because that's how you make a natural install, is to leave the perimeter of your hair out. If you don't, then your hair is going to look, not natural. Next, I'm going to spray on my actual hair. So watch the second part to see how I straighten out and flat iron my hair. This video is just on the preparation before applying heat to my hair. So prepping your install before applying heat and etc. So definitely check out this video.